Hello students, today I am showing you how to do picture composition in creative way. Fine. So I am giving you 8 things and you have to select any 6 and you have to draw the picture. Hut, trees, river, fish, sun, temple, stones and lotus. Right? Any 6 you have to take and you have to do the layout over here. Fine. So I am showing you. First I want to take hut. So I am showing you hut how to do. So this is my hut. Okay. This is my hut. You can do in your way also. I don't mind. Okay. Fine. After hut, here I am showing you water. So this is my water. This is my water. Now I am showing you trees. So here is my tree. This is my tree. This tree is front and this tree is back. So this part I will wrap. Okay. Fine. Tree. Now I am showing you sun. So this is my sun. Okay. So sun is done. Now I'll do fish. So fish, this is a water. Here this way I'm showing you fish. Bubbles. Now I'm showing you lotus. You can draw a lotus. Okay. This is lotus. Fine. So lotus also done. So 6 things are done. So after doing this we will do outline with black sketch pen. I'll show you how. This way you have to do the sketch pen to your whole picture. Getting? This way we have to do sketch pen. After doing sketch pen, we will rub all the pencil work whichever you can see. Right? So after rubbing, we will do texture. How to do texture? I'll show you. In sun, we can do this way. So this is our sun. Now I'll show you hut. I'm doing three lines and I'm keeping gap, you can see. So this is a roof part. This way we can do, and here I'm doing small circle, you can see. So this way we have to do a hut. Now I'll show you lotus. From down, just give this way strokes. Now I'll show you trees. So pay attention over here. Here I am drawing continually. This way we have to do tree. Now I'll show you another tree. Here I am doing slanting line, keeping gap, and again slanting line. You can do any texture you like. See, this way it looks nice and creative. I have taken 2 to 3 patterns in this. You can see circle, slanting line and horizontal line, and leaf also, right? This way. Okay, so we have completed our tree. Now I'll show you water, how to do water. See this texture, wherever corner is there, from there you have to take this way. This texture is specially for water. It looks nice in water. So children, this way we have to complete our water. You can see it looks so nice. So this texture looks very nice for water. Now we'll go to fish. As water is filled with texture, so in fish will not do much texture, very light texture will do. Okay, I'll show you how. So this way children, we have to do light texture in fish. You can see lotus, water, trees, hut, sun. Now everything is over, but this part is land part and sky part is looking too much empty. So we will not keep whole page empty. We'll do light texture, very light texture. I'll show you in land first. See, we can do here very horizontal line, this way, nearby and then little far away for land. So at least base is seen that this hut is on land. This is base. So base is also very important to show. This is our base. Now in sky I'll show you. See children, you can see a stripling. I have done dotted stripling here. Okay. So this way you have to complete your picture. See children, if you find that after completing a picture you can see that some place is empty and I want to do something. So for example, I have kept this place knowingly to show you all. So you can draw a very small tree, you can repeat. Okay, this way, and you can do some texture. This way you can see children, I have done here one small tree. So this way you have to complete your picture composition. You can see dark, middle, light and highlight. All tones are there, then only our picture looks 3D. So each and everything we can see here in this picture, right? See this, looking nice now. In the same way you can change your layout, you can do in your way also. I'll show you the another one also which I have done for you all. This way you can see this layout. You can do this way also, water, fish, trees, group of trees. You can see here and here I have done mountains. See the texture, everything, right? You can do your layout and this way also. Fine. So now try at home and do your best. Okay. And stay home, stay safe. Okay. Bye.